If you're looking to eat healthy, then healthy oil is a must. Today I bring to you OK Life Care's Young Feel Rice Bran Oil. Before I tell you more about this oil, I'll tell you 5 reasons why you need to choose rice bran oil for daily cooking needs. Let's go. Hey, how's it going guys? Llewellyn here and welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyle. So rice bran oil is extracted from the outer layer of the rice that's called the bran. It's popular in South Asian countries like India, Japan and China, and it's considered to be one of the healthier oil options out there. Now, before I tell you the 5 reasons why you need to choose rice bran oil, this is not a comparison video between rice bran oil and the other healthier oil options out there. This is just my opinion as to why you should choose rice bran oil. With that being said, this is reason number 1. It contains a lot of beneficial nutrients. Now, rice bran oil is loaded with nutrients and also boasts of a higher unsaturated to saturated fat content. Now, what does that mean? Unsaturated is the healthier option when compared to saturated fat. Not that saturated is bad, it's just that unsaturated is better. Rice bran oil also contains a high content of vitamin E, which helps support the immune system of the human body. Also, OK Life Care's Young Feel Rice Bran Oil comes with added vitamin A and vitamin D2. Now, vitamin A helps with improving vision and vitamin D2 helps the body in absorbing calcium and phosphorus. Reason number 2, it has a higher smoking point than most oils. If there was one reason why you need to choose rice bran oil, it is this one. Now, rice bran oil has a very high smoking point of about 260 degrees Celsius. What is smoking point? Smoking point is a point at which fat, that is butter, ghee or oil, breaks down and it gives out free radicals. No one wants chemicals in their food. Do you want chemicals in your food? Obviously, I don't want chemicals in my food. That's why choose an oil with a higher smoking point. Rice bran oil has a high smoking point, and if you are cooking Indian food almost every day, then rice bran oil is a must. Use it because Indian food is generally prepared at higher temperatures. Now, before we move on to reason number 3, if you like this video, please do hit the like button as it really helps my channel. This is reason number 3. It can promote heart health. Now, how does rice bran oil do that? It decreases the cholesterol levels in the body. Now, what I mean by cholesterol is the bad LDL cholesterol, and it also increases the good HDL cholesterol, thereby improving the ratio of HDL to LDL in the body. This is very beneficial as LDL is responsible for most heart diseases. There are many studies proving that rice bran oil decreases the LDL content in the body, thereby reducing the risk of any heart ailment by 4 to 6%. If you ask me, that is a very good number. Reason number 4. Rice bran oil has anti-cancer properties. Now yes, rice bran oil has antioxidants that have anti-cancer properties. What are the cancers that rice bran oil can help with? Stomach, brain, lung and breast cancer. Now obviously, you cannot supplement rice bran oil for your cancer treatment. That will prove to be very, very dangerous. But when combined with cancer treatment, rice bran oil can give positive results. Reason number 5, it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, there are compounds present in rice bran oil that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, how can this help? These compounds target inflammation in blood vessels and the heart membrane. Now, if these aren't treated properly, you might have a heart disease. In yet another study, rice bran oil helped to increase the antioxidant properties of people. Now, this helps in increasing the body's defense mechanism against oxidative stress. That is really good for the human body. Now, here are 5 main points as to why you should choose rice bran oil. If you do a lot of frying at home, then rice bran oil is a must. This is where OK Life Care's Young Feel Rice Bran Oil comes in. Now, it has vitamin E and also has added vitamin A and vitamin D2, which makes it highly nutritious. Now, you might say it's healthy, but it also might be expensive. My friends, you'll get this oil for 130 to 140 a liter. If you ask me, that is a good price. But now, if you compare this oil with the other unhealthier oil options out there, that's a complete no-no. Those unhealthy oils are very silent killers. They might look to save you money right now, but in the long run, you are in line for a big hospital bill. And that, my friends, is really bad for you. Choose OK Life Care's Young Feel Rice Bran Oil and choose the healthier option all the time. That's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I hope this video gave you some good insight on rice bran oil and also provided you with some good value content. If it did, like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I release a new video. Also, I'm very curious to know as to which oil do you use at home. Is it sunflower? Is it olive oil? Is it rice bran oil? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for giving me your time, guys. You have a nice day. Until next time, you stay healthy, you stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.